Booster. Oke, ini udah gue record. Oke, kita mulai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Buat teman-teman dimanapun teman-teman berada, kita hari ini akan masuk minggu ketiga dari Indonesia to the World di bulan Mei tahun 2022 ini. Masih tetap dengan pembicara kita, Mas Bismo, a.k.a. Noise Killa dari Kuno Kini. Kali ini kita akan membahas tentang bagaimana menyatukan antara musik budaya tradisional Indonesia dengan produksi modern. Langsung aja, Mas Bismo, silakan.
Yes, Rahayu, selamat sore semuanya. Bung Tisi, apa kabar? Semoga sehat selalu ya. Terima kasih juga ya, saya juga mau bilang, I just want to say big up untuk pertama kali untuk Suara Dao, juga untuk Nir, untuk kalian semua yang udah berhasil membuat kelas ini setiap minggu ya. Dan untuk kalian yang mengikuti dari minggu kemarin, kalian akan tahu bahwa minggu ini kita akan membahas soal penggunaan alat tiup di dalam musik modern gitu. Jadi saya nanti akan berikan beberapa contoh dalam subjek tersebut gitu. Jadi kita bisa ulas nanti dari segi apapun itu. Kita bisa ada tanya jawab dan segala macam. Oke?
Baik.
Nah, sekarang ini aku ingin masuk yang pertama itu adalah kita masuk ke Seling Sunda dulu. Ya. Kita masuk ke Jawa Barat. Nah, ini di sini gue punya Seling Sunda yang lumayan gede nih ya. Dia lumayan panjang nih. Dia kuncinya di kunci C. Dan dia bunyinya seperti ini. Jadi do-nya itu di tingginya dia. Awalnya dia dari E, F, E, F, bentar ya. E, F, G, E, F, G, B, C, E, F, G, B, C. Nah, itu dia. Nah, jadi waktu itu gue pernah dapat project untuk Seling Sunda ini. Sebenarnya ada dua sih. Waktu itu gue pernah ada tiga, sorry. Jadi pertama di lagu Kuno Kini Soldier, itu kita ada pakai Seling Sunda di situ, tapi dengan ada yang berbeda. Habis itu ada untuk Cekomak Project, itu dengan judul lagu Silul. Itu bisa dicek ya semuanya. Kuno Kini di Soldier, Cekomak Project itu namanya Silul. Silul ya, Silul. Nah, itu juga aku pakai yang kalau di Cekomak Project itu saya pakai yang ini. Dia nadanya di G, yang lebih kecil. Saya lihat ya. Lebih kecil nih. Bolongannya sama ya, ada 4. Dia di G itu. Itu dia. Ya, itu dia. Nah, jadi satu lagi yang terakhir adalah saya taruh Seling Sunda ini di lagu berjudul God Some Essence. God Some Essence. Kebetulan itu adalah lagu yang diproduseri oleh John Moon dari Berlin, under Youthman Record. Itu bisa dicek. Jadi dia bikin namanya Rastaridim. Habis itu ada sekitar 5 atau 6 artis yang mengisi dalam Rastaridim itu dengan style yang berbeda dan dengan lagu yang berbeda. Jadi di reggae culture bisa tuh kayak gitu tuh. Satu musik itu bisa diisi dengan berbeda macam vokal dan jadinya bisa outputnya beda lagu walaupun musiknya cuma satu dengan judul yang berbeda-beda gitu. Nah, dia bikin album itu namanya Rastaridim. Aku masukin judulnya lagu God Some Essence dan itu memang kuncinya dia di F ke bemol ya, ke F lagi dan ke C. Jadi nyambung ketika gue masukin suling Sunda. Walaupun jujur, sebetulnya kemarin secara frekuensi memang masih agak beda ya, karena itu musik yang dikirim sama mereka gitu. Tapi kadang-kadang masih bisa inilah, kita masih bisa toleransi sedikit. Jadi ya, lagunya tuh. Gitu sulingnya. Jadi gitu. Nah itu tuningnya masuk untungnya di kunci yang sama, walaupun ada perbedaan frekuensi sedikit, tapi it's okay. Dan enak jadinya gitu. Jadi mereka juga pada kaget waktu itu. Mereka bilang kayak, anjir nih, suling Sunda lu anjing ya. Oh iya emang suling Sunda gua emang anjing ya. Seanjing itu untuk bisa bikin sebuah perubahan gitu. Nah, boleh Bung Tizi, boleh kita lihat dulu lagunya di YouTube ada tuh. Got Some Essence. Nice gila. Nah, ya itu dia. Rastaridim Volume 2. Jadi itu ada Uwe Banton, ada Vido Jelasi, ada John Moon juga, Trickstar sama saya gitu. Silakan Bung Tizi, putar. Oke, sebentar ya guys. Teknis nih. Suaranya nggak keluar ya, Tis ya?
Suaranya belum keluar ya? Sebentar.
Belum. Ya, ya.
Screen sharing. Oke. Udah masuk, Mas? Tadi?
Belum.
Kemarin gimana caranya? Advanced sharing option. Sebentar.
Yuk. Yes.
You got so much sense, logical brain makes sense, right? We just wanna live a life as we sure we can live it. Why do you got so much hating? Why do you got so offensive? People are dying, make a living. Oh, we need something for driving. Ooh, this body wants some more. You got the business going, moving strong. Hey, give love to the people, you must have done it. Loving community and rise all fam at once. Well, non-stop, you cock it to the top. Well, you don't know this. The highest power of creation lies inside me heart, body and soul. Me no broke like a boot and all. Never up like a diamond soul. I'm a wisdom grateful soul. You got so much essence. Logical brain makes sense, right? Me just wanna live a life as we all have the right to live it. Why do you got so much hating? Why do you got so offensive? People are dying, make a living. Oh, we need something for driving. Know that life never easy. Know that have the power all inside of us gently become one strongly. Every breath divinely. Yeah. I will come and fly. Ingsunan aku menjadi satu berpadu in a deep silent conversation. Ooh, yeah. Silent conversation. Wanna make me do things that I couldn't do. Silent conversation. Get from meditation all the way to the night. Silent conversation. I got every problem just like them, but them still want me to entertain. Control emotion. Noise killer make a them a try. Well I say, Ayana become a one. Dynamic meditation. Frequency become a friend. Can't you see, feel or sense? What kind of fire do you require? Can I bring it to make it hotter? Listen what I say. Whoa. Minus gila agila agogo. Kusota of Nusantara jago. Kan zamanku langit beraksi. Ku kasih api cinta di sini. Kau joget kembali bersama. Kau pesta pecah di mana-mana. Bersama Raja Jamu di Jerman. So pecah hancur kota pedangnya. You got so much sense. Logical brain makes sense, right? We just wanna live a life as we all have the right to live it. Why do you got so much hating? Why do you got so offensive? People are dying, make a living. Oh, we need something for trying. Oh, yeah, yeah. We need a love, a life. Hey, understand this.
Iya. Nah, begitu kira-kira. Memang di situ saya sengaja hanya naruh di awal dan di terakhir buat ini aja apa snippetnya nggak jangan terlalu terlalu banyak. Dan juga dan juga karya ini. Jadi kebetulan saya sebagai noise killer solo artist kita lagi nyiapkan album, saya lagi nyiapin album. Dan lagu ini juga kita remake lagi di albumku ini akan masuk. Dan nanti di tengah-tengahnya ada Dubwise dengan suling-suling Sunda lebih gila di yang bagian ini. Gitu. Ya itu nanti bisa dengerin nanti itu. Nah, gimana? Ada pertanyaan dulu atau kita bisa jalan? Mungkin kita bisa masuk ke lagu kedua gitu atau gimana nih?
Boleh langsung dilanjut. By the way, welcome Mr. Ade Dotun and Mr. Gabriel here. Jadi ini ada crowd global kali ini.
Right, yes, big up yourself, Gabriel.
Bless up Indonesia.
Yes, Ade Dotun. Thank you for tuning, man. Respect.
Yo, Tun. Gabriel, thank you, man.
So busy.
Yo.
All right.
Okay,
Yeah.
Lo tim Suling mau kasih tahu mereka mau.
Yeah, so we just talk about the Suling Sunda, the big one, and this one is also actually on C, yeah, and then the sound. Gitu. So we just explore this.
Nice.
We just talk about this Sundanese Suling. This is actually coming from the west part of Java Island, particularly. And then I just talk about the music that my friend produced from Berlin, and we have a collaboration. And I put this Suling actually. So yeah. Thank you for joining. We're gonna move forward to the next one. So right now we're gonna talk about, okay, this is Serunai. His name Serunai. You can see it. It's pretty little actually, with the 4-hole only. But the sound fucking amazing. So yeah, this is Serunai dari from Minangkabau, Padang, Sumatera Barat. And I use this with a song called Leluhur. So actually Kuno Kini have a collaboration with Ras Muhammad, dengan lagu Leluhur. So yeah, so we put kendang Betawi in that song, and also Taganing Batak from Medan, and also this Serunai, and oh yeah, also Saluang also. The sound will be like this. Yes, so we have Saluang also. And yeah, can we listen to the song
Sure.
right now? Yeah, Ras Muhammad and Kuno Kini, the song called Leluhur. Okay, hold on. Sorry, bro. Can we pause it? Okay.
Yes, of course.
So yeah, I just want to explain. So in that intro, we used kendang Betawi, and then Serunai, and also kulintang from Sunda with the it's actually a bamboo xylophone. And then yeah, sorry, moving forward. Can we rewind again? Hula.
Okay.
Thank you, Chris.
Sepertinya hilang jati diri. Ku ingat jemari yang menuai padi, yang dahulu membangun candi dengan penuh budi pekerti, kini telah runtuh dan ditinggalkan. Oh ae, oh ae, oh ae. Isyarat dan budaya. Oh ae, oh ae, oh ae. Aksara dan tata krama. Oh ae, langkah kita saat ini. Ku tak akan lupakan atau berpisah denganmu. Kau adalah aku. Ku panggil jiwa leluhur untuk berikan petunjuk. Saat badai menerpa dan langit mulai berkelap, bintang berbicara dan alam berbahasa, pertanda dari semesta dengarkan. Saat sang Dewi Pertiwi berbicara pada lubuk hati terdalam, oh manusia. Sabda langit ditafsirkan sebelum ditulis berwujud lisan. Falsafah dan cita-cita insan dan maha pencipta hembuskan zat dan nafas tenaga. Puaskan diriku untuk mencari ilmu, cerahkan diriku dengan kebenaran. Tak lagi bisa dibungkam dan menyangkal sejarah, akar dan asal muasal kita. Oh ae, oh ae, oh ae, oh ae. Isyarat dan budaya. Oh ae, oh ae, oh ae, oh ae. Aksara dan tata krama. Oh ae, oh ae, oh ae, oh ae. Alam sebagai petunjuk. Oh ae, oh ae, oh ae, oh ae. Maka ku panggil oh wahai leluhur. Alright, 350 tahun terlalu lama dan cukup sudah kau terjajah. Jangan lemah dan lengah di saat mereka sibuk janjikan surga, di saat mereka ribut mengejar tahta. Negerimu diabaikan, tanah airmu digadaikan. Leluhur berikan waktu, ku mohon dengarkan nyanyianku. Apa yang telah terjadi sepertinya hilang jati diri. Ku ingat cemari yang menuai padi, yang dahulu membangun candi dengan penuh makna budi pekerti, kini telah runtuh dan ditinggalkan. Oh ae, oh ae, oh ae, oh ae. Isyarat dan budaya. Oh ae, oh ae, oh ae, oh ae. Aksara dan tata krama. Oh ae, oh ae, oh ae, oh ae. Alam sebagai petunjuk. Oh ae, oh ae, oh ae, oh ae. Ku panggil oh wahai leluhur. Gusti ingkang makarya ing jagat. Ingsun kleru angge nyuwun pangapura. Kanjeng Gusti ingsun manika namung setitik ngambun kadya lebu lelintanging angkasa kula. Ingkang muter sain dining donya bapak dosa arsa angukir sejarah kanthi tanpa nglirwakaken leluhur ing muni sedaya leluhur.
Yes. So, if you want to break down a little bit, actually, Wizo is the producer of this song also. So this is a collaboration between us all. Yeah, man. So yes, we used kendang, we used taganing. You can hear it there in a dub wise also. And then, you know, there's a surunai, there's a saluang, it's all connected. And I give actually a Javanese language, but which is Javanese languages have 3 layers of language. If I'm not wrong and I'm not forgotten, the first one is ngoko, the other one is alusan, and then the highest one is kromo inggil. So ngoko is the one that we're gonna talk with to friend, you know, or someone younger than you. If you spoken or speak to someone who's older than you, so you have to use the alusan. You have to say in alusan words of Javanese, and then the older can answer with the ngoko. You know, it's okay for them like that. They don't have to use the alusan to you. But kromo inggil is usually used for when you know, kind of like you praying or you talk to God or you talk to your king and queen, actually. So yeah, so the idea is actually, you know, because leluhur is ancestor. So we're talking about the connection to the ancestor and how we were before, you know, and all of that, not mindset, all of that, what I call that, is the culture, the spirituality that we have already before. And it's kind of like, you know, disappearing slowly but slowly. That's what we're talking about. That's why we put that Kramo Inggil in that song, particularly because of that. And then, yeah, yeah, pretty much that. Yeah. Okay, so any question right now? We can have a question and answering Q&A before we go to the last song, actually. Anyone wanna say something or mungkin mau ngomong apa atau gimana, atau mungkin Wizo ada mau ngomong about the song that you produce also.
Menurut lo bahasa Kromo Inggil di Indonesia udah berapa orang, apa udah hampir punah atau belum menurut lo?
Sebenarnya enggak
Bahasa
sih.
Kromo Inggil.
No, I don't think enggak. Kalau existing enggak sih. Masih ada. There are some people who speak on it. To be honest, I can't. Just because only this song. So what I did is actually I wrote the language Indonesian, and I gave it to my father. To be honest, and then he will translate it, and then I will try to you know, say it properly and mean it. Yeah. So what was your question, Wizo?
Itu abjadnya abjad Sanskrit kan? Sama seperti kayak Thailand punya kan?
Iya,
Thailand,
ini abjad
terus di Sumatera,
ini nih. Abjad
Bali.
Yeah. Yeah, so yes. So the Japanese language, the alphabet is actually yeah, this is pretty you know, like deep kinda and funny also, because in the English alphabet it's just A, B, C, D, E, F, G, yeah. But in Japanese and also Sundanese and Balinese is connected. They have the same alphabet, and it's and number one is Hono Choroko, Doto Sowolo, Odo Joyonyo, Mogo Botongo. So Hono Choroko is actually means datang sebuah utusan. Apa tuh bahasa Inggrisnya? Hold on. It's not a quest, but it's kind of like a quest. So it's like datang sebuah utusan. There is some quest, you know, like you have to go somewhere, like it's not a job, yeah, like you know, like something that you have to do. And then Hono Choroko, Doto Sowolo. Doto Sowolo is these two people, because these two people who have the quest, they are the same powerful and same, and so they fight. Odo Joyonyo is actually they having the same strength, and then Mogo Botongo is actually die. But if you see it in a philosophy, you know, every word why they say like that, for me it's kind of talking about life, right? We born, we fight because of something or whatever, disagreeing or maybe agreeing also, you know, and then we die. And at the same time also that story is matching with the triangle, ini ya, pyramid with the Karbala, you know, those two triangle upside down. That's all in that philosophy of the alphabet of the Japanese, Sundanese, and Balinese people, you know, actually. Yeah. And then ada lagi sih, there is one thing. So I don't know, but for me, that represent the Karbala is actually Raja Kalachakra. So Raja Kalachakra is actually invented because of this Kala is the monster in Java, which is Kala is mean time. So Kala eat everything. This is a story. This is the story about the Raja Kalachakra. So the story said that this Kala, monster, the time monster, eating everything. So the goddess and god created Raja Kalachakra in his forehead, which is actually the alphabet of Javanese, but backwards. From N, go to up. So it sounded, hold on, let me finish the story first. So whoever can read that, upside down alphabet is not gonna be eaten. That's the story. But for me, it's actually everyone is eaten by times, right? So Raja Kalachakra is it's used for tolak bala, like cleaning every bad shit, like when you don't want a bad shit, you can read it, and inshallah everything will go away. So the alphabet is Hano Choroko, Doto Sawolo, Poto Choyonyo, Moko Botongo. It read backward. Ngoto Bogomo, Nyoyo Jodopo, Lowo Sotodo, Koro Chonoho. Yeah? It's pretty trippy, man. But yeah. Ngoto Bogomo, Nyoyo Jodopo, Lowo Sotodo, Koro Chonoho. Ngoto Bogomo, Nyoyo Jodopo, Lowo Sotodo, Koro Chonoho. It's a chanting, it's a mantra, Yeah. I hope that's answering your question, Wisnu. Any more? Ada lagi yang lain mungkin?
Okay, maybe I get a little bit of question about it because
Yeah.
our audience is mostly musician right here. Is there any particular problems or how do you incorporate the traditional instruments to the modern diatonic Western scales? I mean, they must have different scales like pentatonic or something. Is it is it the modern instruments go to your traditional instruments tune, or is it backwards?
Yeah. So well, actually, hold on. So long ago, when I'm when I'm trying to collaborate these two things, because yes, certainly in traditional area, the instrument is actually pentatonic. So they have their own tune, they have their own character, they have their own frequency. I didn't know this before, and then the diatonic is the modern one, Now, and every time that we play is always have the like a bit of, like a kind of offbeat. But also for my song that like we did with Ras Muhammad and then Got Some Essence, I didn't say particularly frequency that they have to use, So, but in a way, I try to just play it and find the right note, which is exactly it did. So it's pretty good. But for my own original song with Kuno Kini, with Noiskila, I wanted the key and the notation to match one each other, So to order to have that, we got the answer, which is we can play in a frequency of 432 hertz, which is a sound healing, and then it's actually natural tuning or pure tuning. So that's why I said that a lot of traditional instruments around the world that it's tuned by your ears, like you don't use your garp or whatever, like tuning like that, but you use it with your ears and things. So if all the frequency will be kind of in there, because 432 hertz frequency is actually matched with your theta frequency in the brain. and also the earth frequency. You know, it matches with the golden ratio, Fibonacci sequence, and also Tesla number 369. You know, it's all connected to there. So when I found that, I was thinking like, oh, okay, then the conventional instrument, the one that needs to, you know, to harmonize or have a tolerancy, right? So we just use the chromatic tuning. We put it in 432 hertz, and then boom, man, guitar, bass, keyboard, saxophone, everything can be tuned in 432 actually. And then when we did that, everything is, yeah, it's more match, and it's there. It's on the, yeah.
It's all synced up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So to hold on, do I have a example? Yeah, I have an example on the music of 432, but I don't have the traditional there. But hold on, we have to move to the song of Tuhan Tak Perlu Dibela.
Okay.
Yeah. So in Tuhan Tak Perlu Dibela, we use this saluang also, and then some kendang, and then Soko Guru. Soko Guru is the drum set that I designed and I produced for Kuno Kini. It's all with rebana like this. With rebana like this, but we have it a set. We have the big one for the kick, and then the snare and things like that. But yeah, but everything is from, and then everything is like a hang. You know, we put the wood, so everything is hang. So yeah, can we put the Tuhan Tak Perlu Dibela?
Sure.
Yes. And then also Wizo is the producer with Bung Glenn Fredly.
Okay. Here we go.
Yeah, Hafiz Della MC, Kuno Kini, Indra Lesmana, Babat Musiki. Ya, diturunkan dengan kasih karunia, penerang kegelapan di seluruh dunia. Luruskan arah jalan manusia, tegakkan amal baik di sepanjang usia. Lemah lembut, damai ditanam, tak berarti lemah kalau haknya diancam. Islam menunjukkan halal haram, namun tersudut bengis karena gagal paham. Ras, suku dia ciptakan beragam, anugerah tersaling kenal, bukan baku hantam. Jalan keluar utama bukan kekerasan, meski sabar berbatas jadi alasan. Durjana menyusup pada angkara, sebab akibat ada di setiap perkara. Perlu diingat hidup hanya sementara, kilaunya dunia banding surga tiada seberapa. Sadari, pelajari, pahami, saat ini selalu ada dosa bermetamorfosa pada setiap koda iman dicoba. Hati bagai nakoda bertaruh berlomba, tentukan hasil akhir kala datang badai noda. Hubungan baik tak hanya dengan Tuhan, pada sesama juga harus ditumbuhkan. Manusia dikodratkan saling membutuhkan, menjaga kerukunan demi keutuhan. Allah Maha Penyayang Maha Suci, membela bukan benci, benar adil jadi kunci. Hawa nafsu bagai ilusi rugi jika dituruti, mata hati mati tertatih buta hitam putih. Tiada Tuhan selain Dia, Maha Kaya tak banyak, tak ada daya dan upaya. Terkadang hidup jauh dari sederhana, bertahan bangkit ambil makna arti sebenarnya. Sadari, pelajari, pahami, saat ini Sadyo manunggalan panjenenganiro sajroning napa ingsun amung panjenengan ingkang awujud sajaning pakabdi ingsun amung pakabdi panjenengan ingkang awujud ingsun satemo lepukang hino sajroning manunggal amung tresno marang sapoto-poto ingkang mawujud tresno marang sapoto anda keset tresno marang panjenenganiro uga adab sakabehe. Kanjeng suci Gusti Allah, Kanjeng suci Gusti Allah, Kanjeng suci Gusti Allah.
Yes. So, so in that particular song, so we use actually the rhythm, the beat is coming from Makassar, from Pakarena dance, traditional. So they play with the two gandrang, two big kendang, and then also kenong and things like that. And yeah, and the beat is actually similar. If you hear it, it's similar to dancehall. Pom pom cha pom pom pa pom pom pa pom pom pa pom pom. Itu ya beatnya itu. And actually in that song also there is no bass, there is no guitar, there is no keyboard, it's only piano. And then with the Archipelago choir from the church choir. And yeah, and that song is actually talking about praising the Lord and the Divinity. Yes, and then we also use the scat from Makassar. Pa, 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 boom, boom, pa. So the scat is like this. Itu skatnya tuh. Kalau dikunci, if it's in a key, so the way we found the key is actually through Saluang. So actually Saluang is the one who made the bass notation of the song. So it was like So Bung Glenn Fredly is actually the one who found the notation. We were singing together. I was doing this, and then he, the one who come down with the progressive or the key from D to G, press to B to A. Gitu. Yes. So. So in the song we use a lot of it from the traditional instrument, and they only have a piano on it. But yeah, yes. So far, any question? Or we can move. I want to show the 432 hertz music. Can we do that?
Yeah.
TZ? Yeah.
Sure.
Shackleford song. S. Shackleford S.
Shackleford song.
Noise kill aja kalau nggak.
Okay, found it. Wait, I'll turn on the share screen first.
So hold on before you start. In this song, sadly I don't put any traditional, but I just want to show you the 432 hertz of frequency from the music. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you can catch it or something you feel and anything. Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Siapa orang yang udah mengambil kamu, Nay? Sekarang jawab jujur.
Semuanya itu nggak akan bisa lagi kembali ke normal.
Gue pikir lo beda, Nay. Bukan cewek gampangan yang pernah gue temuin selama ini, tau nggak?
My sunshine that's shining through my day. You are my fierce golden eye. You give me the most unconditional love, and I just wanna spend the rest of my lifetime with you now. Hey, chocolate lady, your skin makes me melt away. From the very first time I see you, them beautiful smile that bright me up so high. Well, just give me strength not to cry. Just far away me enough to feel that energy, kinky, take me to the paradise. Well, you are my sunshine that's shining through my day. You are my fierce golden eye. You give me the most unconditional love, and I just wanna spend the rest of my lifetime with you now. I have Jamaican, I have Indonesian, I have chameleon. You're damn my skin, just want to lick you up and hold you up inside me heart. I just someone to come down, I swear. Just pretty baby lady, want you? Come on, man. I take a little bit dripping sample from your sweet yarny, yeah. You are my sunshine that's shining through my day. You are my fierce golden eye. You give me the most unconditional love. Well, and I just wanna spend the rest of my lifetime I just wanna take you every day now. Be with you night and day. Take you from this crazy day. I just want to come down and sway now, pretty baby. Ooh, now, it's you, the one that I want for. It's you, the one that I care for. Now, baby, it's you, the one that I want for. Ooh, it's you, the one that I care for. Na 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 na. I just don't want to let you go. Please be the one. Need you so. I want to have on my side. You are the queen in my heart. I just don't want to let you go. Please be the one. Need you so. I want to have on my side. You are the queen in my heart. I just don't want to let you go. Please be the one. Need you so. I want to have on my side. You are the queen in my heart.
Yes, thank you. That is one of some of the examples that the 432 hertz will sounds like. Okay, so I'm gonna be open. Any question or anything that anyone wanna say something before we closing? Benar nggak, DC?
Ya. Kedengeran. Are there any question? If not, we can
No, sampai.
we can close.
Boleh nanya.
Okay.
Ini pakai bahasa Jawa apa Inggris? Oh, Inggris aja kali ya. Tapi kacau, nggak apa-apa lah ya.
Nggak apa-apa lah. Cuma
Is that all of the wind instrument have a specific chord in every instrument? For example, saluang have a specific for C chord, D chord, E chord, or another chord? Or you can use the saluang only for specific chord. For example, you can use saluang only for saluang or serunai only for a G chord or D chord, or I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, what about that?
It is. Yes, it is.
Yeah.
So this is actually an F chord.
Yeah.
And then the scale in the guitar. Hold on. If it's not C, no, I think that's C though, because the scale is. Yeah. Nah itu dari A dia. Oh, but hold on ya. This is already 432. My guitar is already 432, yeah. But actually, it's the 432 frequency will go down. It's the same A, you know. It doesn't go down. So it's A, B, C crash, D, and E for Brunei. For Saluang, similarly, and then it's actually on C. Oh yeah, wait, I think this is on C also because Saluang also on C. So if you want to have, so you can have Saluang on F, on G, you know, on things like that. So you can, so yeah, you can have that. And also
Saluang Saluang have for a G chord or for F chord and another chord, right?
Yeah, so Saluang, so this one, gitu. But they can Saluang can play in D, also in G crash, in here, B, A, and E also kena. Sini juga, you know, it's yeah, you can really dig to the scale and see. Yeah, but actually, yeah, it can go, yeah, it can go anywhere, man. And actually, also, that's I want to say one more instrument before the closing. Oh, sorry, hold on. Is that answering your question, man? Radit?
I mean, like Suling Sunda have for specific for F chord or C chord. So Saluang only one tools, but they can play for many chords, right? Or
Oh yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
kinda. But also, yeah, kinda. But also in Sunda, in Sunda also can from F to B and then F to C and then to D also get also still okay, you know. Yeah. We can yeah, the Sundanese is also, well, it's not too much, but it can spread a little bit, you know, but not like Saluang. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. And then one more thing is actually this mystical flute. This is really big. Ini namanya, this is called sampelong. Also from Sumatra. And then for me and my friend, you know, the way we're talking about it, we, you know, maybe it's a joke, maybe it's not. But this sampelong is kind of like the blues of Indonesian art, you know. Like if you want to play blues with this, go in. Yoi. So the scale actually goes itu masuk tuh. Sometimes I fucking with ain't no sunshine when she's gone. That's the same from A. Itu still connected, you know. Or if you play apa lagunya guiltiness also with the sampelong is so nice, man. Guiltiness rest on that consciousness, oh yeah. Ya, gitu. I think is there anything that anyone want to say or ask or anything?
Ya, udah pada cabut mas yang itu.
Oh, oke, alright. Oh, pada cabut ya. Oke, tinggal kita ya. Oke. Dit, gimana Dit tadi? Itu ngejawab nggak sih tadi pertanyaan lo?
Sebenarnya sih kayak gara-gara bahasa Inggris gue juga jadi bingung.
Yaudah, coba
Maksudnya
tanya lagi deh.
kayak
Gimana maksud lu?
kayak misalnya suling Sunda kan tadi lu ada 2 ya kalau nggak salah ya?
Mm-mm.
Ada yang buat kunci apa sama kunci
Ada
apa
C
gitu tuh.
sama ada G.
Nah iya. Nah kalau kayak saluang, serunai itu gitu juga apa? Misalnya saluang tuh ternyata bisa buat semua chord masuk gitu atau
Itu enggak sama gitu juga.
sama juga.
In a way kayak
Berarti
gitu juga
ada
sama.
saluang misalnya khusus buat nada dasar C, khusus buat nada
Iya,
dasar G ada juga.
iya.
Oh,
Sekarang
gitu.
akhirnya mereka memang buat kayak gitu ya. Walaupun tetap menurut gua C-nya dia juga nggak C diatonis 40 gitu.
Hmm.
Iya
Agak
menurut
sedikit
gua ya.
ditun
Karena
gitu ya.
iya kan? Karena
Heeh.
ya coba deh. Mas gua nih coba mau disamain juga sama gitar 440. Nggak kena. Itu harusnya C-nya dia tuh. Gitu. Jadi emang harus ketika lo frekuensi di situ baru kena. Ya walaupun ya memang oke lah ya kita bisa ya ngebedah scale-scale gitu ya. Kayak pas yang Glenn Fredly lakukan ya memang ya itu bisa memang kayak gitu ya, which is kejadian juga. Tapi maksud gue kalau lo pengen bener-bener yang tune-nya gitu ya kan, nah, ya emang harus ke situ akhirnya gitu. Dan sebenarnya ini harusnya kita bahas 432 nih nanti ya. Nggak apa, besok kita bahas lebih dalam lagi ya. Pakai angka-angkanya apa segala macam gitu.
Oke, siap. Jadi kayak kita udah bisa tutup ya untuk sesi minggu ini. Tadi udah di WA sama Wisnu juga nih. Oke, akhir kata terima kasih Mas Bismo untuk materi hari ini. Thank you for Gabriel and the Tune for also joining us here.
Radityo.
Yeah,
also big up yourself.
Yeah.
You too, man.
And we hope at the next week you guys can also tune in Indonesia to the world. Dan minggu depan kita akan masuk ke materi yang lebih menarik lagi. Jadi stay tune aja hanya di Telegram grup Suara DAO. Akhir kata kita tutup Indonesia to the world minggu ini. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam rahayu, sejahtera bagi semuanya. Peace.
Peace out.